Hello my brothers, today I'm going to draw on the iPad Pro for the first time. To do this, I'm going to use an iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. Now that I got the iPad, let's clean my desk, cause it is a mess. Okay, desk cleaned. Time to start working on this crazy character. And the app I'll be using to draw this is Procreate. Don't forget to wear the sexy drawing glove, my brothers. Now it's time to make the rough sketch.
Big brain.
Okay, now that I know what I want to draw, let's start sketching. To do this, I'm using the digital 6B pencil. Oh yeah, finally finished this. Sketch done. Now it's time to ink, and of course I'm going to use the F-fine liner.
Good evening, everyone. Now, I don't mean to brag, but I have a very large brain.
Apparently the F-fine liner doesn't work with the iPad Pro, so I'll have to use the digital F-fine liner. Oof. Oh, don't forget to... Oh wait, you can't hear me anymore. Oof. Damn, I'm feeling a little bit sick, so... Oh yeah, much better. And drawing sexy lines on the iPad Pro is really satisfying. Okay, the iPad Pro is dying, so it's time to charge it. We're 4 hours in and it's time to eat some crazy waffles with spray paint. And I'm not going to use Copic, my brothers. This is the color wheel. Okay, now I know how to color on Procreate, so let's just jump into it.
It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension.
And to color the shoes, I'm going to use mine as reference.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let
It's late night and I have to sleep, so see ya tomorrow. Okay, it's already tomorrow and I'm at school.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm back at the studio, so let's finish this crazy drawing.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you.
Now that the base colors are done, I'm just going to add the shadows and some details on the body and the clothes.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Vans, ooh, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had
It's almost finished, just the crazy signature left to go.
Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to
Okay, it's finally done. Enjoy the reveal.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop.